Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to be fixing my side skirt. Why? Well, let's just take a quick look over here. So if you guys don't know, it's recent activities. I crashed at the Nürburgring racetrack and yeah. So this thing is all sorts of jacked up right here. See that? All jacked up. And I'm going to replace that today. This is all messed up too. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to sit well, everything's gonna get together. So it's supposed to look like that. But today, I'm gonna fix it. Fun fact, I've only had this side skirt for a good, I don't know, not even a month. Haven't even get to enjoy it for a month. So I like the look, so I'm gonna replace the look. I'm gonna get the same one. So this right here is by Maxton Design. I like Maxton Design because it's flat, because if you notice right there, you can tell that it just stands by itself. That's exactly what I want. So, I just need one. Oh, wow. I needed one, but it looks like they gave me two. It's okay. I hope I don't crash the other side, but if I do, oh well. Let's see. Hold on, cut myself. It's a dangerous job, you know? I gotta thank the shop owner, Andy, here. He's allowing me to work here in Germany in his shop. Crazy, free of charge. Just let me just use his tools to work on my car. Never can you find that, oh, mounting stuff. You know what, I'm gonna use my own mounting stuff. I don't need that stuff. But I'm struggling here opening this. So what's cool about Maxton Design is that they have a little protective film right here that once I remove it, it'll be super gloss black. But right now I need to identify which ones I need to use. I think it's this one. All right. Which one do I need? Flip this around. Nope, that's not it. Found it. Found the right one. So, I got myself the right one. Now I need to make some holes. Yeah, this is the right one. All right, for this project, I'm gonna use the drill here. I have pre-existing holes in here, so it should be easy. So if you come a little closer, you can set this straight on here. All right, aligned. Should be aligned. If it messes up, then I guess I messed up. There we go. So luckily, I already got a pre-drilled hole for my existing one. So all I gotta do is just gonna go for it. Okay, that's good right there. So now, I've got one hole. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use what I have pre-existing. I'm just gonna put it in just to keep it from moving, which helps. It helps that there's a pre-existing hole. So you're gonna want a washer and bolt all the way through. Just gonna tighten this a little bit. Not all the way tight, but somewhat tight. Okay, it's better to work with the middle first, because if you ever need to make adjustments, then you can slide this back and forth. But if you start in the front here, and then this is too far forward, then it's gonna look messed up. And you can't fix it because there's not much working space here. Here I have two more spots where I can mount. So I'm going to do that one and then do that one. That was not supposed to happen. Okay, that's another one. Thanks, Andy.
Welcome.
And then install this right here. Again, I'm doing this install right here with the bolt, nut and bolt. That way, it does not shift backwards or forwards. Okay, so that's in there, and then let's do one more right there. I just need this to stand by itself. That's all I want. benefits of pre-drilled holes. So what I'm using is a 10 millimeter. So now I'm just gonna tighten this thing all the way. All right, that should allow it to stand. As you see right here, it's standing. Now, all I have to do is just get the front and the back, and I should be good to go. This was the pre-existing hole, so now it's like gone, destroyed, messed up, so I'm just gonna make a new hole right here. This part, I'm just gonna clamp it with my hand right here, and I'm just gonna make a new hole. Yep, new hole right there. Okay, make a small hole now, and then change this out. This thing's probably pretty scratched up already, but it's okay, I'm wrapping this thing, so it don't matter to me. All right, here we go. We've got the small hole created. Now we can use that small hole to make a bigger hole. Through, right there. Got my 10 millimeter. Perfectly aligned right here. That's what I want. Perfectly aligned. Benefit of having the middle first and then you do that. Now let's do the last one. So it's unfortunate, but I'm gonna have to do the same. I'm gonna have to look for a different spot because this here also ripped out, so there's no way that I can put a washer there without this coming off. So I'm gonna have to locate for a new spot to mount. I need a new mounting point. I'm going to say, I could probably do, right there. It would probably work if I just put it right there. It's fine if I did it right there. Maxton Design likes to give you tapping screws. I don't exactly like these kind of self-tapping screws because, well, it's just gonna come right off. I'm more of a nut and bolt kind of guy. Small hole. It's like surgery. Decision made. Now I need my bigger one. Let's go for a bigger hole. Okay, bigger hole's made, and then I'm gonna put that there. And do that again. Alright, got my finger here. Alright. It's clicked. So notice I have better surface area here now. Okay. It's all tight. It should be able to stand by itself. Yeah, it's standing by itself. Let's see if this actually works. True test. Oh. Not bad. I just needed it to stand by itself. Now there's actually stand up. Front is good. Sides are good. And the back is good. But you know what I gotta do? I gotta rip off this plastic right here. That's what I gotta do. The protective layer. You know, I should have ripped it off earlier, but it's okay. Impact here. I just need some room. Okay, make some space. Bam. Ripping off the protective layer. Yeah, I'm just gonna litter in the shop because screw this place. I'm just kidding. This place is nice. But I'm gonna retighten everything. You just need like what, 2 uggas? Uggas? Ugga. Bam, it is looking sweet. Looking sweet. Anyways, guys, that is how you, well, at least that's how I at least install a Maxton design side splitter. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Unfortunately, I had to do this because this thing was in a wreck, but it's looking good. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, my car's getting fixed. It's gonna get wrapped, rewrapped, so it's good. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next one. Peace.